Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Sachin Pal, and I hope you all are doing well. I am also doing well, and thank you so much for spending your time over my YouTube channel or with me in this English speaking journey. And I am, as usual, I am in my English spoken journey because I have taken some challenge for myself, because I want to see myself growing in every aspect of life. So yeah, I have seen some common problem of English speaking learners who really want to improve their spoken English, but they are having wrong roadmap. Like they are started spoken English learning, and there are so many tutors, like they are giving suggestions, like start reading English books. But I think reading book is not interesting activity for everyone. So easily learners get bored in reading books. But the activity like listening more and more English content, so you are easily able to become familiar with English sentences or phrases or words. And for listening you no need to be active, but for reading of course you need to be active. And start learning spoken English by just real life sentences. No need to pick up for formal sentences or vocab. No need to have formal vocabs in starting days. When you continue works on your spoken English, then definitely you are able to have some formal or advanced vocab in your mind. But in starting phase you need to have, you need to work on very mm, very, I can say, general kind of vocabs. So here you just need to have the vocabs. Like if someone is asking to you, like tell me your daily routine, so you are able to explain your daily routine in the front of someone. Likewise, because there are so many tutors who are teaching, like if you really want to improve your spoken English and if you want to master your spoken English, then you need to have some advanced vocab in your mind. But if in starting phase you are choosing like I'm going to learn all advanced vocab, then that is not working for you and easily you get bored. And also there are 70 or 80% chances to lose your motivation. So stay motivated, and whatever you want to learn, break it in some fractions and complete each fraction, and give some sufficient time for each fraction. Then you are easily able to master it. That is not a big task. And one more thing, nowadays there are so many YouTubers who are creating conversational video. So yeah, you can go and watch the conversational video, and it is a very kind of interesting activity for our brain, which human brain likes very much. I am also doing these activity, like I'm watching more and more English conversational video from where if I get new vocabs, then definitely I'm going to know the meaning of that particular vocabs. After that I'm going to make or create some sentences using that particular vocabs. Then I'm easily able to recall or use that particular vocabs whenever I need the usage of that particular vocabs. and yeah, I'm continue on my journey of learning spoken English, and this is the place where I'm feeling more energetic and more motivated because I love nature. You can see behind me there are so many trees are there. These are Indian dates, and there you can see there are so many grasses are there, and yeah, in this particular forest or field side you can see here the mustard crop is flowering nowadays. You can, if you want, I can make you watch this amazing view, and you can see sun. It's a time to approximately sun is going to set. It's sunset time, and I am on fields. I am mostly creating my video when I am on walk, because we need to choose or use our time wisely, then we are able to be more productive. And also we need to work on our physical fitness and mental fitness, then we are able to do whatever we want in our life, and everything is become easy for us. Yeah, you can see behind me these are the bamboo trees. Here are the amazing view in my behind me, and there are some birds flutes voice are coming from behind me, and yeah, we have beautiful view. You can see. So goodbye guys, take care, have a great day ahead, and stay consistent on your journey of learning. And if you feel like my content is doing add on something on your learning journey, then please like to my video and share with your friends and family or whoever is there. And also, if you have any suggestion for me, like I need to create video on some specific topic, then I would love to create a video on that particular topic. So goodbye, that's it for today, and stay healthy and wealthy, and stay consistent on your journey. Goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead.